Hey there, tech enthusiasts! In this video, we're going to take a look at the 5 highest tech electric vehicles of 2023. These cars are not only eco-friendly, but also packed with advanced features that make them stand out from the rest. First up, we have the Tesla Model S Plaid. This car boasts a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of under 2 seconds, making it one of the fastest electric cars on the market. It also has a range of over 300 miles on a single charge, and features a sleek interior with a 17-inch touchscreen display. Plus, the Model S Plaid comes with Tesla's autopilot system, which allows for semi-autonomous driving and even automatic lane changes. Next on our list is the Lucid Air. This car is designed for luxury and performance, with a top speed of over 200 miles per hour and a range of up to 517 miles. It also features a high-tech cockpit with a 34-inch curved glass display that acts as both a dashboard and an entertainment system. The Lucid Air is also equipped with advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control and automated parking. Moving on to the Porsche Taycan, which offers a sporty and stylish alternative to the traditional Porsche lineup. The Taycan can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.6 seconds, and has a range of up to 227 miles. It also features a unique 2-speed transmission, which helps to improve both acceleration and efficiency. The Taycan also comes with Porsche's active suspension management system, which adjusts the car's suspension in real time for a smooth and comfortable ride. The Ford Mustang Mach-E is a brand new electric SUV from Ford, designed to take on the likes of the Tesla Model Y. It has a range of up to 300 miles on a single charge, and features a sleek and modern design. The Mach-E also comes with Ford's Copilot 360 system, which includes features like lane keeping assist and automatic emergency braking. Plus, the car's 15.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system is compatible with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Last but not least, we have the Audi e-tron GT. This sleek and stylish electric car has a range of up to 238 miles and can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds. It features an advanced air suspension system that can lower the car for improved handling, as well as a high-tech interior with a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a 10.1-inch touchscreen display. So there you have it, the highest tech electric vehicles of 2023. Each of these cars offers its own unique blend of performance, luxury, and advanced features, making them the perfect choice for tech-savvy drivers who want to go green. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching.